Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great, and for today's video we'll be making some DIY floral body oils. Incredibly simple to do, all you need is some mildly fragrant carrier oil like sweet almond oil, and some essential oils. Perfumes are created in 3 scent layers. You have the base note, which is the final and longest lasting scent that lingers on the skin. Then there's the mid note, which is a more mild scent and helps to tie in the other fragrances together. And finally, there's the top note. This is the first scent you smell when you apply perfume, and it has the mildest scent profile, and generally stays on the skin for about 15 minutes. So our very first body oil is going to have a very fresh and clean, crisp scent. Start by filling in your roller bottle with almond oil 3/4 of the way through. Then add your base, mid, and top note essential oils. This is optional, but I also like to add in some dried flowers for a finishing touch. This next body oil is very soothing and great if you prefer more herbal scents. So once again, start by adding in the sweet almond oil. Also, these are the scent profiles that I personally prefer, but you can always try to mix and match different scents to see what you like best. And for my finishing touch here, I'm adding some dried lavender buds just to emphasize that this is, after all, a lavender floral body oil. Also, make sure to properly spin on the roller ball to avoid leaks. For the final body oil is an exotic and spiced perfume blend. Once again, add in your oil. You can also substitute with grapeseed oil. Then we're going to scent this with clove, rose, and bergamot essential oils. This combination is great if you like deeper and stronger scents. It's really great for a night out. And finally, I'm adding some dried red rose petals to this, and then I'm going to screw on the roller ball cap again, and that's it. And you can roll these on the inside of your wrist, the back of your ears, or on your neck as you please. So that is it for this video. I'll have all the information linked below, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!